Hey guys, thanks for bearing with me in the last video, which was long. It was longer than you saw because I edited it too, but we're done with the HTML stuff. But what I do want to show you though is how to put this onto RPubs so you can show people. If you make something very cool, and by the end of this course we'll have made, or by the end of the bioinformatics course we'll have made something cool. Or whatever course this pathway is built into, I should say, Python, etc. We are going to be able to send this to anybody and kind of show off what you've done in this nice, cool document you made. So the way that we do that is with RPubs. So RPubs is kind of part of RStudio, and it is free. So what you do is you register. I'm already registered, but all it takes is your name, your email, what you want your username to be, password, and then confirm, and you're registered. Whoops, I'm gonna sign in as Dr. VDB, and okay, I'm signed in. View profile. So when you go to view profile here, it's going to show all your RPubs. You can edit your profile. If you have a web page, you can talk about yourself. I am a data scientist looking for a career in computational biology of public health information. Whatever you want. If you're gonna sell yourself, you know, put that you're looking for a job or whatever. I am not looking for a job, so I'm gonna delete this, but that's a good place to put some info about yourself if you are actually using this to market yourself. So we're gonna go back to RPubs, and that's all we have to do here. Really easy, 10 seconds to sign up or whatever. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to RStudio. And so we just got done with this big long document, and we clicked knit to knit it, right? And we got this beautiful HTML document. And you may have noticed, but up at the top here, there's this little button that says publish. And so we're going to do publish document. And it'll probably ask you, it's gonna ask me, I need to install these packages to publish. So, excuse me. I just click yes, and you see down here that's installing curl and stuff. And these are like data managing packages that kind of run in the background. And so this will take a second, depending on the speed of your computer too. Where did my HTML document go? Let's pull this up. So once you click publish, then you can use RStudio Connect, where it's like a secure file sharing thing, or RPubs, which you can share over the web, which is nice because it doesn't require somebody else to have RStudio Connect. So we're going to click this. It is important to know that these are all publicly visible. So if you are publishing something, like you're working on a paper and you don't want to be scooped or something, might not be the best. I doubt somebody's going to be like searching through RPubs and be like, oh, let's see if I find anything I can scoop or whatever. But it is publicly available, so just know that. So I click publish, and I can title it. So this was my HTML tutorial, a tutorial of HTML R Markdown. And then it's going to be published under rpubs.com /Dr. VDB or whatever your username is, and then whatever you want to name it. And so I'm going to call it, I already have HTML tutorial on there, so I'm going to call it job portfolio if you're interested in that. If you're interested in doing this will be good. So boom. We're on RPubs now, and so you can see that document, which we had only in RStudio here, is gone. I closed it, but we have all this on RPubs, and it works just like it did in RStudio. So we've made a web page essentially that has our analyses on it like this. And so if I'm gonna close out of all these other tabs, and I'm gonna copy this, just kind of proof of concept here. So if I select myself and I put in that web address, RPubs, my profile name, and then my job portfolio, click enter, there you go. You can still hide our code, show our code, everything. Nice, really cool. It's exciting. It's cool to like have something, you know, at the end of all this, instead of like, you know, I teach other classes, genetics, bioinformatics and stuff, and you learn stuff, but you don't build stuff, and it's cool to have something that you build. So yeah, so that's it for RPubs. Really easy, but it's just, I just wanted to show you a cool way. I encourage all of you to put these onto RPubs as we're doing it. Also, you can share here, like you can put it onto Google Plus. Google Plus even exist anymore? You're like, oh, we're gonna take down Facebook, and I don't even think people use it. But you can put on Twitter. Unfortunately, there's no Instagram for you youngins on here. You can just paste the thing. But yeah, and you can comment on other people's codes or comment on your own code. Say, oh, this is, you know, I made this, blah 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 blah. Oh, they put ads up here. Great. But I guess you got to make money somehow, right? But I encourage you all to do an RPubs portfolio and put your stuff on there, and you know, make cool stuff. Do some analyses. By the end of this, you'll be able to just grab. By the end of the series of courses, you'll be able to grab public data, run your own analyses, maybe catch the eye of somebody and get a job, or you know, do public health data if you're going to med school, and sell your product to get your name out there. It's always good to market yourself. That's a life lesson from somebody that's been through it. So, all right, I'm not going to ramble on too much. That's RPubs. Make an account, put your stuff on there, and I will see you in the next one.